children.
Hello, curious explorers on the island of knowledge. Did you know there is a place on Earth that acts like a space magnet for meteorites? It's an unusual lake in Canada, with a bottom full of treasures from space. Why do so many objects from the sky land there, and what secrets does it hide? I invite you all on a journey to a place where the sky literally falls to the ground. At the Bay of Wonders, I met the ibis and the bat. The ibis was sure that the lake was enchanted and attracted falling stars to grant wishes for all the fish swimming in it. The bat, on the other hand, believed that the lake's bottom made a special silent sound that worked like a signal for lost meteorites in space, showing them a safe place to land. I explained to them that this place had no supernatural powers. Its uniqueness comes from special geological conditions and a very, very long history that helped gather so many visitors from space. At the Meadow of Questions, I met the crocodile and the macaw. The crocodile shared that when he lies still in the water, he is almost invisible, which helps him catch an unwary prey. In a similar way, the Earth for millions of years caught passing meteorites. The macaw said that the longer an old nest exists, the more interesting things you can find in it: feathers, shiny objects, seeds. I agreed with them that these were great examples. The bottom of Grassy Narrows Lake is special because it is a very old and stable part of the Earth, which has quietly collected everything that fell from the sky for billions of years. The water and sediments have perfectly preserved it. At the Waterfall of Facts, I met the turtle and the butterfly. I asked them what they knew about the Canadian lake full of meteorites. The turtle slowly explained that it was Grassy Narrows Lake in Ontario. Its bottom lies on one of the oldest and most stable parts of the Earth's crust, called the Canadian Shield, which is nearly 3 billion years old. The butterfly added that thanks to this stability, meteorites that fell there were not destroyed by geological processes like earthquakes or volcanoes. He also said that the water and mud at the bottom of the lake protected them from erosion, creating a perfect archive of space rocks. I praised them for their knowledge, summing up that it is the ancient age and geological stability of this region that made it the richest meteorite hunting ground we know. Dear explorers, today we discovered a place where the history of Earth and space meet at the bottom of a lake. We understood that Grassy Narrows Lake is a natural museum of meteorites, which owes its richness to billions of years of geological calm. It is a wonderful lesson about how patient our planet can be in collecting treasures. See you on the next fascinating journeys on the Island of Knowledge.